Chosen one are not the victim, they are here for purpose.
Not the victim. I just here for the purpose. I know people are your enemies by trying to make you the victim, but listen, you're not the victim, you're just here for a purpose. So no matter what they say, just leave them. Let those demons and decepticons, those dark entities, let your enemies be. Be who you are, let them be who they are. You're not the victim. Just keep on. You are here for a kingdom assignment from God. So no matter what you do, just ignore whatever they are saying and just keep on fulfilling your purpose on earth. Keep up doing that assignment given to you by God, your master. So no matter what you do, be who you are and continue being yourself and fulfilling your purpose and being in alignment with your purpose, because these demon decepticons, these dark entities, are empty seeds. They don't have any purpose to fulfill on earth, so they will come trying to disguise themselves as you, try to make you the victim. So no matter what they do, just ignore them and be yourself and keep on staying in alignment with your purpose and keep on fulfilling your purpose, because no matter what you do on earth, people must talk because let them get their mouths. So no matter what they do or say behind your back, keep on being who you are, keep on fulfilling your purpose. Heavens get your back, your spirit get your back, universe get your back. So no matter what they do, keep on fulfilling your purpose, keep being who you are, and let those demons be who they are. Thank you. So if this thing was nice with you, don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more, guys. Thank you.